Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Back with another video. As you can see from the title, today we'll be talking about hydrating toners. Y'all know I love me a toner. I sang the praises of toners in my video on how to build a skincare routine. If you haven't seen that video, I definitely recommend that you check it out. Toners are not necessary in a skincare routine. You can absolutely skip a toner, but why would you? Why would you? Toning not only hydrates the skin, moisturizes the skin, but can also deliver a lot of helpful benefits to the skin. It can improve your skin tone and your skin complexion. It can help to keep those wrinkles at bay, help with anti-aging. With the right ingredients and actives, it can also help to fade hyperpigmentation. It can help to decongest the pores, and the list goes on and on and on. If you are new here and you've never seen my face, but you like my face and my skin, definitely be sure to subscribe so you can stick around. Give this video a thumbs up. A like goes such a long way to support my channel. And if I mention anything today that you do want to pick up, I always say this: clicking and purchasing through my links really does help my channel. It keeps the lights on, but most importantly, it lets these brands know that I'm the one putting you on. I'm the one that's giving the girls all the recommendations, and I would love you forever. But enough of talking, y'all. Let's get into these gems. All the toners I'm going to mention today, with the exception of one, is going to be around the $10 mark. So you're not going to break the bank, but they're going to get your skin glowy and hydrated and beautiful. And I just can't wait to share them. There's definitely different types of toners. There's hydrating toners, clarifying toners, mattifying toners, cleansing toners. It really just depends. It's a wide range of toners, but we're going to focus on hydration because I know we focus a lot on treating acne and we focus on fading hyperpigmentation, but your skin will not skin in the ways that you want your skin to skin if your skin is not hydrated. A lot of the issues that we have with our skin comes from dehydration. These toners are in no particular order. I love them all. You can pick up any single one and you're going to find benefits from them. I can't choose one. I've tried them all, used them all. Most of them are almost done, and the only reason I still have them is because I wanted to share this video with you. I do want to add that all of these toners are alcohol free, meaning they're not going to dry out your skin. They're just going to give you that supple hydration. Also, all of them are fragrance free as well, besides one, and we'll get into that in a second. But like I said, y'all, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with any of them. We're gonna start with the first one. This is the cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. Boom, boom, boom. I've talked about this before in a favorites video. If you haven't seen my favorites playlist or my favorites videos, I'll definitely link my playlist right here so you can check it out. I love this toner. I've talked about this so many times on my channel. It includes 73% propolis as well as 10% honey. So propolis is amazing for anti-aging. It helps with wound healing. It's also antibacterial. It helps to moisturize the skin. So this is really going to boost the hydration in your skin. Honey is a humectant, it's a moisturizer. It's going to draw moisture from the air and put it into your skin. It's going to keep your skin nice, healthy, and glowing. This on the skin, y'all, like, this is so damn good. You can't go wrong with this. When it comes to toning, you don't have to go in with one layer. You can go in with multiple layers. You can layer several toners. You can layer one toner multiple ways. It just depends. The world is your oyster. There's so much you can do with it. This one it's a nice thin consistency, so it is a bit runny, but it's also going to just seeps into the skin, y'all. Like, just so y'all see how nice my, what is this called? My hand? Y'all see how nice my hand looks just from applying this toner? Like, instantly, just from this toner alone, my skin feels so good. You don't have to just use toners on your face. I definitely recommend you take your toners down your neck. You can even put them on your chest to keep your chest looking nice and good, on your shoulders and everything. This is such a good toner. Highly recommend it. You can get it from Ulta, but it's going to be like $20. I recommend just getting Korean or Japanese toners directly from Asia. I do have a coupon code with Stalvana. You can save some coins. It is INF10 glass. I will put it on the screen, but also link it down below. All of these toners except one you can find on Stalvana. I love getting my Asian skincare directly from Asia. It's just way more affordable. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend. This is so damn good, and I'm gonna hate to see it go, honestly and truly. Let's talk about one of the first toners I ever used, and that is the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. So this is a cross between an essence and a toner. Honestly, in traditional Korean skincare, there have been differentiations between an essence and a toner. But honestly, over the last few years, they're kind of interchangeable, especially when it comes to Western skincare, when we talk about Western skincare. So this to me is a toner essence. This is like just so good, like just good. Like it's hard for you to really see it. Like applying it on my arm just doesn't do enough. You really have to try it on your skin to know what I'm talking about. This is equally as good as the cosrx. Like I said, they're all amazing. This contains ginseng root water. In traditional Korean medicine, ginseng is just top tier. It's also going to help with wrinkles. It's going to help to brighten the skin, help to reduce inflammation on the skin. It helps with elasticity and collagen production. It's going to do what you need to make your skin look good. I have been using this for forever, literally just down to the wire on this, and she is a good time. If you have oily skin, regardless of your skin type, all of these toners are going to work for you, but I especially recommend this one because it doesn't add heaviness to your skin. None of them do, but this one especially is just very lightweight but hydrating. This is an all-star. I will always recommend this. It is so good, y'all. Pick it up. Now this next toner is kind of ghetto because I lost the cap. I have no idea what it is, so I just have like a ghetto cap on it that I'm too embarrassed to show you, so I'm just going to show it to you like this. I've talked about this on my channel. I've talked about all of these toners before on my channel. This is the Haru Wonder Black Rice Toner. Like the name suggests, it is jam-packed with black rice, which is going to help irritated skin. It's going to calm down skin irritation. It also contains antioxidants that's going to protect the skin. It's going to keep the skin supple and glowy. Black rice is so good for the skin. We know this. It's good for the hair. That's why I love me some rice water in my hair. It contains hyaluronic acid and beta glucan, which is going to help with moisture and hydration as well. So this is a heavy hitter when it comes to moisture, when it comes to hydration. It's so good, and it's thicker than the others. It's a little bit more viscous, but equally has hydrating, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but definitely perfect for those of us who have dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, like I said, all of these are going to be perfect, but if you have dry skin, definitely pay attention to this one. It definitely leaves more of a, I don't want to say coating because that's not an accurate word. It leaves a hydrating veil over the skin, and it's so good, y'all. It's so good. I've been using it like crazy, and I highly recommend this one. Duh. I feel like I said that about all of them. There is a fragrance version, but this is the fragrance-free version, so make sure you click in the links so you can pick up the right one, because there's another version in the market as well, so you want to make sure you're picking up this one. But y'all, like, I just put this on my skin, and my skin, like, it feels like a baby's butt. Like, that's just how good my skin feels. Like, the answer is yes. The answer is yes. I love this. I don't need to talk about it anymore. Y'all get the point by now, and this is a good one too. Now we're gonna go into a brand that I'm not sure I'm ever pronouncing right. This is the pyunkang Essence Toner. This one is definitely more of an essence. It definitely has a more viscous consistency. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. It's not going to flow down the arm as easily as the others, but oh, so good. This is so good. This is the newest toner that I picked up. I was definitely put onto this by Alice in the Rabbit Hole. She did a video on like her top products period, and she mentioned this. I mean, I've heard this a lot from skinfluencers here on YouTube, but her video just made me pick it up. because she was like, you have to get this. And I've been toying with the idea of getting it, and I finally got it, and now I get it. Why I should have gotten it. Because again, this is going to give you a hydrating veil over the skin. It contains ingredients that's going to not only hydrate the skin but also strengthen the skin. Known in Asian skincare and Asian medicine to strengthen the skin. So this is something that's going to replenish the skin, and it's just, I just don't know what to say. I feel like at this point in the video, I'm just like, what else is there to say? All of these are good. Felt like I needed to touch up my lip gloss. Nobody probably noticed or cared, but I just feel like I needed something extra. Anyway, where was I? I think this is probably going to be your best bet. For those of you who have dry skin, this would be my #1 recommendation. Just because it is so viscous, it's going to put that layer on the skin, and it's going to do what you need to do. And the answer is yes. It doesn't smell like nothing, but it feels like something. And lastly, for a product that's kind of out of left field, because it's kind of different from all the others, this is just a sample, but I'm going to pick up the full size. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. So that's what this looks like. This is also one of the thicker ones as well. It's like a serum almost. Serum toner, essence toner type. You can see that? Like that looks like it barely moves down. Of course it does move, but it barely moves. And it's just this is definitely the bougie toner for the bougie girls and all of us. You know I love saving some pennies, but I love a good splurge too. Because this little baby 1 ounce is like less than 1.5 ounces. It's $15. This is about, what, 5 or 6 ounces for $10. So, you know, she's a little pricey, and the full size 5 ounce is $34. So like 3 times the price of the other Asian skincare options. I mean, Glow Recipe is definitely inspired by Korean skincare, but it's made for the Western market, so it is going to be more pricey, and that's why I stick to Stylevana, okay, and Style Korean, because you're gonna save some coins. I like this product because it's the perfect marriage of hydration and exfoliation. It does contain willow bark extract, which can slightly exfoliate the skin, as well as other ingredients that can very lightly exfoliate the skin, okay? This is not going to give you, you know, it's not going to strip off layers of your skin like other exfoliants, but it has enough that it can gently help to reveal that glowy, brighter skin. Especially if you have sensitive skin and you're afraid of chemical exfoliants, it's good to start with a toner, because a toner usually doesn't have as high of a concentration, and it also contains more hydrating ingredients to balance the exfoliants more than a serum. You know, sometimes serums can just go hard, but this is very gentle. So if you are new to chemical exfoliants and you want to dip your toe in, I definitely recommend that you try a toner. It doesn't have to be this one in particular. This is just the one that I like, because I find that it does keep my skin nice and clear, but also helps to bring that hydration. Sometimes you have products that treat your skin but don't really treat your skin in the way of hydration. This does both. It does have a little bit of fragrance right to the very end, so that means it has about a less than 1% amount of fragrance, so I don't think it's going to irritate your skin. If you do have super sensitive skin, you may want to approach with caution, but I think for the most part, probably like 99% of people will be okay with this. It does have kind of a pepper scent, like a fresh pepper scent. I like the scent. It's not a bad scent. I have nothing bad to say about it. Maybe I wish it was fragrance free so more people could try it, but I don't mind the fragrance. I just love how this feels on my skin. When I apply this to my skin, all is well in the world. All my sins are washed away. All the ugly is gone. It's just so freaking good, y'all. It contains a number of extracts, like cactus extract. I'm pretty sure that's the scent I'm getting. It smells like pepper, but I'm pretty sure it's actually the cactus. There's watermelon fruit extract. There's hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which is also going to give that hydration. There's tea tree extract, which is going to clarify the skin. There's cucumber extract and sugarcane extract and licorice extract. All of these things also help to bring those benefits to the skin as well. So all yummy ingredients, just great on the skin. If you haven't tried this, definitely recommend you try it. These are the best of the best. I've tried so many toners since I got into skincare, and these really stick out to me. There are other toners that I like. When I think about hydration, these are the ones that come to mind, that keep coming to mind, that I want to reach for every day. Clearly, okay, they're almost gone. I don't mind picking up more toners, so definitely let me know your favorites down below. I will pick them up so quick and try them. So definitely leave all your favorites down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.